Padang, West Sumatra, Indonesia is in the grip of a severe crisis as relentless monsoon rains trigger a dual disaster of deadly landslides and widespread flooding. In the hillside districts of Lubuk Kilangan and Bungus Teluk Kabung, as well as the Pasir Lawe area in Lubuk Alung, where another slide hit, a desperate race against time is underway as rescue crews battle to save lives from beneath the earth, while fast-rising floodwaters trap thousands across Padang city. The floods are a paralyzing force of destruction, transforming streets into murky, impassable torrents.
Astagfirullahaladzim, saya daripada pikiran kene pantesan aku pikiran wir maning adu belajar. Ya Allah, maju kemari longsor ayeuna barat. Ayo.
Homes are submerged, and in the hardest-hit low-lying areas, such as Koto Tanga, Nanggalo, and Padang Timur, residents are stranded on rooftops, awaiting rescue for hours. Crucial roads connecting the region have been severed, cutting off emergency access and isolating entire communities from aid. Authorities warn that major rivers, including Batang Kuranji, Batang Arau, and Batang Kandis, remain at critically high levels, with forecasts of more rain threatening to worsen the flooding.
More than 1,000 people have died and over 800 remain missing. As tropical cyclones collided with heavy monsoon rains, unleashing a wave of devastation across Asia. This is not one country's tragedy. This is Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Malaysia. All drowning at the same time, all fighting the same nightmare. Across Asia, today it feels like the ground has disappeared. Entire towns underwater, families climbing onto rooftops. This is not just a flood story. It is a humanitarian nightmare unfolding live. It began with days of relentless monsoon rain, but this was not normal rain. Back-to-back tropical cyclones collided with an already saturated region. In Indonesia, walls of mud came crashing down on entire villages. Homes vanished in seconds. Roads disappeared. More than 600 people lost their lives. And nearly 3 lakh families have nowhere to return to. In Sri Lanka, it's been a week of fear. Massive mudslides buried neighborhoods. while families slept. More than 3 lakh families have been forced out of their homes, carrying whatever could they save. A school bag, a photo, a bundle of clothes. The Sri Lankan government has declared an emergency, but the scale of displacement keeps rising. Across Thailand and Malaysia, water has cut through busy towns, highways, and markets. Entire communities that were bustling last week are now underwater. The current is so strong that rescue boats are overturning. Volunteers say it feels like they are racing against time and against nature. The question everyone is asking: why is this happening? How did 4 countries get hit so violently all at once? Experts point to a dangerous mix: warmer oceans feeding stronger cyclones, monsoon system behaving unpredictably, deforestation and rapid construction.